how to send silent messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send silent messages on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just go to the chat where you want to send the silent message to. And now here, once you're inside the chat where you want to send the silent message, you can just tap on the text box. And here, once you have done that, at the text side at the bottom left side, you'll see the numbers. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the symbols and numbers. From here, you can just select forward slash, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear at the top. So from here, you can just select silent, and here once you have selected that, it will enable the short feature inside the chat where you can send a message in a silent mode. Now here, once you have done that, you can just type in your message, and here once you're done with it, you can just send that message to the person, and it will be sent in a silent manner. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.